Quirk Ford sponsored the Drive for Your School fundraiser, benefiting Quincy High School's hockey program. The way the event works is you take a test drive, and Ford donates $20 for every test drive up to $6,000. To make the event even more exciting, Quirk Ford had a classic car show. Many different cars from many different decades showed up. This was a great family fun event with raffles, food, and a bounce house. Everyone had fun and raised money for a good cause.